Welcome back, students. Today is 26th May 2021 and we have started LCM and SCF and it will be the class number 2. About the first class I have talked. So students, in class number 1 we had reached to this note, and what is this note? First write it again. So students, factors of a prime number are 1 and itself. You will remember that factors of a prime number will be 1 and itself will be 1 and itself only. So students, 1 and prime number meaning is what? That is 1 and prime number are the factors of prime number. Getting students? So students, I was talking about the factors of 9, 10 and 11 when was I asking to you. So 11 we had seen that was the prime number, and there we had seen that if 11 is the prime number, so only 1 and 11 will be the factors of prime number, will be the factors of 11. Once again I am saying to you that in the earlier class, when were we selecting the number 11 and wanted to find out the multiples and factors of the 11, so we had seen for the multiples, what shall we do? We will read out the table of that 11, and that will give us multiples of 11. And when were we asked that about the factors of 11, so we will look that out of what will we do there to find out the factors of any number from 1 to 11. From 1 to 11 we will check that which number from 1 to 11 is going to divide the given number. So when were we asking about that 11, so there we have seen that only 1 and 11 was dividing the 11. So 1 and 11 will be the factors of 11. So that we can conclude in this way that factors of a prime number, since 11 was the prime number, so factors of a prime number will be 1 and the prime number itself. Okay. So students, if I am talking about the 12 and want to write the multiples of 12, so multiples of 12, how will we write, students? We will read out the table of that 12. Meaning is that, students, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. Like it will go on, students. Isn't? So when shall we talk about the multiples of a number? So multiples of a number, to find out the multiples of the number, what shall we do? We shall read out the table of that number. And when will we talk about that students factors of this 12? Factors of 12. So whether 12 is a prime number or composite number. So of course 12 is a composite number. It is not a prime number. So factors of 12. What I have told you to write down the factors of 12. We shall move from 1 to 11. So move from 1 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. From 1 to 11, please notice this. From 1 to 11, we shall check that which number from 1 to 11, meaning is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is going to divide the 12. So whether 1 will divide the 12. Of course 1 will divide the 12. 2 will divide the 12. Yes, 2 will divide the 2 6 are 12. So 2 will be the factor of that 12. Whether 3 will divide the 12. Of course 3 4s are 12. So 3 will be the factor of this 12. And when are we looking about that 4? Whether 4 is dividing the 12? Yes, 4 will divide the 12. 4 3s are 12. So 4 will be the factor of that 12. Whether 5 will divide the 12? No, 5 will not divide the 12. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. And 5 3s are 15. So 12 is not coming in the table of 15. So 5 will be not the factor of 12. If you will talk about that 6, whether 6 will divide the 12? Yes, of course, 6 2s are 12. So 6 will be the factor of this 12. Whether 7 will divide the 12? No, 7 will not divide the 12. 8 will divide the 12? No. 9 will divide the 12? No. 10 will divide the 12? No. 11 is dividing the 12? No, it is not dividing. So we shall look that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the factors of 12. Okay. So to find out the factors of any number, what shall we do? We shall write from 1 to 11 and we'll check that which number is going to divide the given number about which you are asking. In place of 12, there can be 14, 15, 18, 85, 97, 31. So, like this, we shall move. First write down up to here, students, then after we will talk. So students, 12 we have seen what will be the multiples and factors of that 12. Suppose students, we are talking about this 13. So to find out the multiples of 13, what will we do, students? To find out the multiples of 13, we will read out the table of 13. Okay? To find out the multiples of any number. So 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52, 13 5s are 65. So like it will go on. Multiples of any number are unlimited. Multiples of any number are unlimited, and to find out the multiple of any number, what will we do, students? We will read out the table of that number. Okay, students? And suppose, students, if we are talking about that factors of 13, so factors of 13, how can we write it, students? To know the factors, what shall we do, students? We shall move from 1 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, students? So we shall move from 1 to 11, and then after we'll check that which number from 1 to 11 is going to divide this 13. So whether 1 will divide the 13, of course all the number will divide the, no, all number will be divisible by 1. 1 is going to divide all the number. 1 is going to divide all the number, so 1 will be the factor of all the number. You can write this. Since 1 will divide, all the numbers, that is why 1 will be factors of, 1 will be not factors, 1 will be factor of, okay, 1 will be factor of all the numbers. So you can underline this, that 1 will be the factor of, all the numbers. Okay, and put it in a box to remember it. That 1 will be the factor of all the numbers. So remember it. Remember this. So students, since 1 will divide all the numbers, so 1 will be the factor of all the number. So if we are writing the factor, so always 1 will be there. Always in the factor of any number, 1 will be present. 1 will be present. So look, students, we have come to reach that 1 will divide all the number, that is why 1 will be the factor of all the numbers. And students, here when are you selecting the number from 1 to 11, you are looking that only 1 is dividing the given number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, these numbers will not divide this 30. So always a number will have two factors. Always, please remember, always a number will have the two factors. So why this is not that going to be used here? Because this rule, now please notice this. This rule is for composite numbers. Please, number system, worksheet number 2, I have talked about the prime numbers and composite numbers. Since 1 is neither prime nor composite, that is why it will divide this 30. And students, that we are looking, this rule is not going to be used here. So why? Because that this rule is only for the, it is only for the composite numbers. And what is this 13? Look student, 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. That is why factors of a prime number will be 1 and prime number. Factors of a prime number will be 1 and prime number. So factor of 13 will come out what students? 1 and students 13. So whenever we will look at any prime number, so the factors of that prime number will be 1 and the number. So factors of a prime number, so factors of a prime number is 1 and prime number, is 1 and prime number. And this rule is for the composite. This rule is for the composite number. So what will be the factors of 13? Since 13 is a prime number, so factors of a prime number will be 1 and itself here, which I had made you in that earlier class. This rule will be applicable to a composite number and other number will be the prime number. Okay. Composite number, you can say composite number will be what? Number minus prime number. So the composite number will be those number which will be not prime. So we will look that if we are talking about the prime, so the factors of prime will be 1 and the prime number. Okay. So this rule you will apply only for that composite number. And when will you write the factors of any prime number? Always, whenever you will look that there is a prime number, so factors of that prime number you will remember. That factors of a prime number are 1 and the prime number. Okay. So students, if I am talking about if I am talking about 14, I want to write down the multiples of 14. So how will we write the multiples of 14? How will you write the multiples of 14? We will read out the table of it. 14 was 14, 14 to 28, 14 to 42, 14 to 96, 56. And 14 5s are 70. And 14 6s are 84. So like it will go on. So whenever we shall talk about the multiples of 14, we will read out the table. And students, when will we talk about the factors of 14? So factors of 14, look students, 14 is a prime number or composite number? Composite number. 14 will be the composite number. So 14 will be the composite number. So for the composite number, what shall we do? We shall apply this rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So always 1 will be the factor of all the number. 1 will be the factor of all the number. So whether 2 is going to divide the 14? Yes, 2 will divide the 14. 2 7 ja. So 2 will be the factor of this 14. Whether 3 will divide the 14? No. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So 14 is not coming in the table of 3. So 3 is not dividing the 14. That is why 3 will be not the factor of 14. We'll talk about that 4. 4 will divide the 14. No, 4 is a 4, 4 is a 8, 4 is a 12, 4 4 is a 16. So 14 is not coming in the table of that. So 14 will be 4 will be not the factor of 14. When shall we talk about that 5? 5 is going to divide the 14. No, 5 is a 5, 5 is a 10, 5 is a 15. 14 is not coming in the table of 5. That is why the 5 will be not the factor of 14. When shall we talk about that 6? 6 is going to divide the 14. No. 7 is going to divide the 14. Yes. 7 2 is 14. So 7 will be the factor of this number 14. Whether 8 will divide the 14? No. 9 will divide the 14? No. 10 will divide the 14? No. 11 will divide the 14? No. So look, student, if we are talking about the composite number, we will apply this to it. And in the same way, you will look, students, that when are we talking about the number 15? So 15 is the prime number or composite number? Composite number. So 15 is a composite number. So multiple of 15. Multiple of 15. What will you do? You will read down the table. 15 is a 15. 15 2 is a 30. 15 3 is a 45. 15 4 is a 60. Like it will go on as the multiples are unlimited. And shall we talk about the factors of 15? Look, students, for this, what will we do? 15 is a composite number. Is the 14 is also the composite number. Fourteen is also the composite number. But 13 you look, 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. So 13 is a prime number. So when shall we talk about that 13? So multiples of 13. So what will we do, students? We will read out the table of that number. So 13 1 is 13, 32 is 26, 33 is 39, 34 is 52, 35 is 65. Like it will move on. As the multiples of any number will be unlimited, and multiples of any number will be nothing but the numbers which are coming in the table of that number. When shall we talk about that factors of 13? Look, students, as 13 is the prime number, and we will remember that for a prime number, the factors of prime number are 1 and itself. Factors of a prime number are 1 and itself. So since 13 is a prime number, so factors of 13, which is a prime number, will be 1 and 13 only. Factors of any prime number will be the 1 and the number itself. But when are we talking about the composite numbers, friends? Here we are looking composite numbers. So for composite numbers, friends, what will you do? You will apply this rule. And you are looking, friends, that 15 is a composite number. It is not a prime number. Please go to the number system worksheet number worksheet numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that, I think in that number 2, I have told about the prime numbers and composite numbers. That is why that for prime number, the factors will be the 1 and itself only. And when we will find out the composite number, so of course, when are we writing about that multiples of that composite number? So for multiples, whether it is a prime number or composite number, when are we that finding that multiples of any number, we shall read out the table of that. But students, when are we asking about that factors of prime number and composite number? So factors of a prime number will be 1 and the number itself. So 13 is the prime number, so factors of 13 will be 1 and 13 only, as it is a prime number. But when are we getting that composite numbers means 14, 15? Here was the 13, here is 14, here is 15. So 14 and 15 are the composite numbers. So for composite number, we shall apply this rule. So 15 is a composite number. That is why when are we talking about the factors of 15? Of course, it is a composite number. It is a composite number. So for composite number, we shall apply this rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 number we will select, and we will find out that which number is going to divide this 15. So 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Always 1 will be present in that factor. Always 1 will be present in that factor. So whether 2 will divide the 15? No. 3 will divide the 15? Yes, students. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So 3 is dividing the 15. So 3 will be the factor of 15. Whether 4 will divide the 15? No. Whether 5 will divide the 15? Yes, 5 3s are 15. So 5 will be the factor of 15. And friends, when shall we talking about that? 6 is going to divide 15? No. 7 is going to divide 15? No. 8 is going to divide 15? No. 9 is going to divide 15? No. 10 is going to divide the 15? No. 11 will also not divide this 15. So that comes for a composite, for a 15, we are getting 1, 3, 5. You can remember as a 1, 3, 5 are the factors of 15. Of course, students, when I am talking about that 15, 16. So for 16 students, look, what will we do? For multiples, always, whether it is a prime number or composite number, you are looking 16 is a composite number. 16 is a composite number. So multiples of a composite number, whether are we talking about the composite number or prime number, for multiples we will read down the table. So 16 is a 32, like it, okay? You will read down the table. 16 is a 16, 16 is a 32, 16 is a 48, 16 4 is a 64, 16 5 is a 80, like it will move on as multiples are unlimited. And then we talk about the factors of this 16. So of course, students, 16 is a composite number. For factors, what shall we do? We shall apply this rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers we will select, and we will look that out of this 1 to 11 number, which number is going to divide this 16? That will be the factor of 16. So 1 will divide all the number. So 1 will be always present in that factors of any number, whether it is prime or composite. So 2 will divide the 16, yes, 2 will divide, so 2 will be the factor of it. 3 will divide the 16, no. 4 will divide the 16, yes, 4 will divide the 16, 4 4 is 16, so 4 will be the factor of 16. 5 will divide the 16, no. 6 will divide the 16, no. 7 will divide the 16, no. 8 will divide the 16, yes. 8 to the 16. So 8 will be the factor of this 16. When are we talking about this? 9 will divide the 16, no? 10 will divide the 16, no? 11 will divide the 16, no? So for composite number, this rule will be applicable. So 1, 2, 4, 8 will be the factors of 16. And when we talking about this means 17, so multiples for multiples are unlimited, and for that we shall read down the table. Okay, 71 to 17, 17 to 34, like it will go on. And when shall we talk about that factors? So look, students, 17 is a prime number or composite number? It is a prime number. It is a prime number. So for prime number, this rule will be not applicable. And for prime number, we shall remember that 1 and the number will be the factor of that prime number. For composite number, we shall apply this rule, but for prime number, we shall remember that factors of a prime number will be the 1 and the number. You can write up to here first.